Hello. I went ahead and cut this out. This is the outside piece. We'll lay it there. Notice it has a fold. And this is your pop-up piece. I'm no good at videos, so bear with me. And what you do to start with, any place that's got a little fold line, pull it up and fold on it. There's one on the top, and then there's this one down in the middle. And then you'll see there's a little fold line on both sides. That's going to be your guide to put it in the card. So that's all you really do, is just those folds. But then it's good to work with it so that you know exactly where it is that you can glue it and fold it. So when I fold it, I kind of check inside and flatten that top part, and that's folding, so that when I open it again, that's where I'm going to glue it, where it goes down and flattens. Does that make sense? I hope so. If you play with it, which I do, I try to not tear it, but get good folds on it. And then when it's all together, you can undo the little clef and have that sticking up. So that's all you really do. You just fold, fold, fold the little side pieces, and then kind of pull it out. Can you see how that's pulled out? Then you decide where you're going to glue it, and you make it straight. Test it, and don't just fold it and start creasing, but make sure this little top part goes in there. Anyway, I hope I did it okay. Pretty easy, really, but you just have to know what you're doing. Anyway, good luck, and let me know how you do. Bye.